mom of 3. I went to pick up a little sweet treat from my sister, as well as pick up my kids because I had a half day today. And when I went home, I put down this cooktop area for the girls to play with. As I head out to Wegman, I went to pick up some treats for Erica as it's almost her birthday, and of course pick up some flour as well. In the back, just climbing rows, just beautiful. Happy May 4th. Today is a Saturday and the girls and I, my sister and my babies, are having a girls brunch. It's our day out. This is for my Facebook. My influencers are kids. I'm not gonna lie, my phone has been blown up the whole time today. I had so much calls, so much text to answer while I'm going out with my sister, and I feel really bad, but there's just so many clients coming in. And you know, when God bless you with a lot of with a lot of possible income, you have two choices. You either accept or reject, and I'm choosing to accept. I could only record a few moments and a few photos with my kids. I want to make sure that I document well how big they've grown. Here we go. Can't wait for the salad. Go on. After brunch, we did a little shopping, came home and have a few more drinks, and obviously I'm disappointed because I thought that my husband and I was gonna get to go out on a, you know, mommy and daddy date, but that didn't work. Where to go? I'm gonna go seduce my husband. Bye. After I went to my husband to complain about I'm too pretty to stay home today, he decided to take all of us out for an omakase experience out in Wellesley. So it's going to be super fun because I love the omakase from here as well. And honestly, the only reason this is possible is because we actually know the owner. You do have to let them know beforehand, 24 to 48 hours, for them to book this kind of experience for you. But they made it happen, and I'm super excited to try all their yummy food. And I'm sure you're wondering, well, what are your girls doing now that you're out and about? Well, they're with us. They're in the kiddie table. And of course, the girls, we take them to a nice fancy restaurant all the time. They don't technically eat the raw fish with us. Omakase experience, honestly, it's definitely not for the weak because this particular location in Wellesley, they make very authentic, like spice level, Thai level kind of food. So definitely, if you want something that is mind-blowing, you gotta check out this particular location. And particularly makes the best crab fried rice, as well as really authentic Thai food. My kids love eating out here, so yeah, they're eating their own menu and we're eating our omakase experience. Good food is definitely the foundation to genuine happiness for me.
Who would want to live next to it?
No, if you bury a loved one in it in the backyard, it's now considered a cemetery.
My favorite. I remember this. It looks bigger.
It is bigger. This is so crazy.
The goji berry.
Oh, she's already done it.
Alright, you only need to do it.
What you guys do to reset what you just said?
What did you say?
Yes, so it is toro under a bed of uni, some fish egg, and caviar with gold flakes.
I did it. Yay. Thank you.
Beautiful, thank you.
Stolen buddy.
Yes, I'm gonna dip this in the sauce.
But it's better than this.
Damn,
It was really good.
I want to try it.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Today's May 5th, and I am attending an influencer sponsor meal. with Lily and Erica, and we are doing a food review for this particular restaurant. We have honestly been eating here for a year, like way before COVID happened. I know that people don't even remember that anymore, but yeah, this restaurant went way back, and their menu before was just strictly online QR code, and now they actually have a real menu. It's a set menu, which I really love and appreciate. They definitely added so much more. They revamped the whole place. It is definitely such a chill vibe place to be. Definitely a great place to celebrate any kind of event. It is on as one of Boston's hidden gem, and the best part is the price is quite affordable. It's actually very well priced and very good portion, and though the location itself is quite hard to park if you're not, from here, I highly suggest taking Uber because then you can really enjoy and immerse yourself in the food as well as the drink. As we are all here for a different kind of reel and recording or post, that is why Lily's going to help me record, and I'm going to help her record for her food review portion of the video.
I'm gonna do it long.
And as you know, different outlet get different version of me because different outlet I release a different type of vibe as well as a different type of niche that I cater to. So for this particular Instagram post, I am more of doing the fun fashion quote niche. For Lily's collab, she's doing more of a food review, and she has her own reel that she has to create with our help. As for this video being released on YouTube, obviously this is just my personal diary, and this is my outlet to just kind of document my life and watch my growth. Looking at these videos now, I actually felt pretty happy with the growth. When Lily and I first started YouTube, we did beauty, fashion, style, and DIY. Life honestly has changed for us, for me in particular because I have children, so now I do more of DIY, longer vlogging, home renovation, home veterans, and it's just more like a lifestyle guru kind of thing. As this channel progresses and as I can get more consistent in everything I want to do, I do want to go back to cooking, sewing, as well as doing fashion video, review, as well as haul videos. Those things I actually do enjoy. It's just it takes longer for me to film those videos due to the try-on process. I don't like trying on a lot of clothes. I like longer video that kind of document someone's life to kind of for me to rewatch. It's like a video diary of anything, and I guess it's very hard for me to find my niche just because I have so much interest in doing everything, and if I like doing something, I just do it, and I don't think about what I would earn from it or what I would gain from it. I do it for the simplicity of, hey, I want to try, I want to see where it goes. And I feel like the most positive experience about this whole thing is along the way of me learning something new or explore a new side of me, I'm able to share it with you guys because I am a longer version video diary kind of vlogger, and I guess this version of me works the best for me personally because I'm someone who never want to stop learning or exploring what it is or everything there is out there. I enjoy meeting new people in my path, and I enjoy seeing them finding their niche and doing so well at it. I feel super proud of them. I congratulate everyone who finds the niche, but honestly for me, I don't think I've found it yet, and I'm definitely okay with that because my bread and butter has always been my business or my real life that I guess I share a very minimal part of just because I like to keep you guys included. But I'm honestly a very private person that I don't think you actually know the full version of me, even if I spend so much time disclosing so much of my life with you. But remember, I want you guys to fully understand, anything you see online is a curated, it is what it's influencer or a vlogger or someone that you look up to. It is a curated, it is what they choose to show. So I want you to know that if you really wanted to get to know somebody, email them, contact them, really get to know them on a personal basis, because watching the video, I promise you, knowing one side of the story doesn't mean you actually really know them as a person. I want you guys to be super careful of what you are seeing online, because honestly my biggest fear as an influencer is I do not want to walk you down the wrong path. And for my higher in age 30 and above follower, understand, never compare. I don't ever want my video to make you feel sad. Never compare your life with mine. Never compare your life with anyone else. You know, like I said, it's a curated look. There are always struggles that nobody share or nobody talk about or no one bring up to surface. Remember, there is struggle in every area of life. The more money you have, the more and the bigger problem you would need in order to solve it. The work put in to create a life of your dream is the same whether you're in the base part of the mountain or the very top of the mountain. Every level of life require work in order for you to stay where you're at or to grow as an individual. The night ended on a really good note, so if you are looking for a really good time, I really highly recommend Purple Shell for the food quality, the drink quality, as well as the price point. And later that night, I actually placed an order for this, and the next morning I had to go to Lady M to pick it up. And coming to the store, I noticed there's so many cake that I would want to buy, but because my sister and I do not eat that many cake, even if these cake are not very sweet, I decided to settle for the one that I order online. I'm not going to pick up anything extra just because it's so wasteful to throw it away. I want to note that today I did not follow my rule. I was super busy with doing showings and doing so much recording for the properties, the new properties, as well as even after this I'm gonna have to do some quick shopping because I have to cook for Erica's birthday. We're having several of her favorite meals, so yeah, there's just a lot to do. And even if it doesn't seem much that I'm voicing over to the clip, just know there are days where I don't even have time to eat, and this is one of those days. Oftentimes, I'm thin mainly because I sacrifice between having a meal, a proper meal I'm sitting down eating, or doing something nice for someone else, and I guess that's kind of what's going on today. But it makes me happy because ultimately Erica's happy, everyone is happy, the meal turned out great, and like that, another day is over. I opened my laptop to find that my husband is currently trying to build a car. This is what he did when he built my Alpina. So it's very strange to see him trying to build something. Present? I don't know. I did ask for another car for my business logo, but I didn't ask for this one. But seeing that it's probably over 5,000 or 6,000 pounds, it may be the next business car. So today was a pretty long day. I spent the morning with Kaylee, did some paperwork, edited a few videos because I'm really trying to clear up my desktop, and then I got a call for a few meetups today for showings. Hopefully all the client call because I really don't want to do any more paperwork after 5, but definitely got everything I need done, did plan for 2 inspections, and now I'm picking up the girls. I found some really pretty puppies that I kind of want to put down today. And that is the end of my week 1 of May 2024. Today was something else, like, man. Late for my first appointment, and she was a no-show anyway, so whatever. And then for my second appointment, all the streets were fixed today, so literally I was looping just to find parking. Finally, we did rent it. I have another client that also want to put their name down for it, so we'll see what's up. Either way, both client wants it, so I'm pretty good with that particular apartment. And now I'm doing my next showing. This unit is technically rented, but I want to represent this client for this unit, so we'll see if the landlord is going to allow me to, you know, swoop in and take this apartment. Anyways, after this particular showing and doing paperwork, if they are going to take it, then I definitely have to meet one more client to finish up another RFTA, and then I can't decide if I want to film the next opening for another apartment and try to just put that video on the list for all of my caseworker, or if I want to finish the RFTA. Either way, you know, there's something to do. Today is Thursday and Mother Day is a Sunday, so my husband and I are celebrating Mother Day early today, so that'll be fun. And then Sunday we'll be spending some time with his parent, well, his mom anyways. So yeah, well, our mom, technically our mom. So yeah, today is I'm gonna try to finish and get things this thing up strong, have dinner with my husband. Tomorrow I have a birthday dinner for one of my friends, so there'll be more content to be created. It's a baddie look, and you know I love baddie look. And then on Saturday I have something happening Saturday. I just can't remember for the life of me. I know that I have something to do on Saturday. What is it? Oh, yeah, okay. Now I remember. So Saturday I have to take care of the girls because my husband is renovating hugely the house next door. I know I have another event, but I can't remember, so I'll look through my schedule. But I know that Sunday is Mother Day, so I have today to kind of go flower shopping because I have to arrange everything before they rape us in the price, because almost everywhere is going to just yank up in pricing for the Mother Day flowers. So I want to get that in. I did prep something on the side already just in case they decide to rape me with it. But yeah. By the way, check out my pretty nails. My tech did such a great job. This is my favorite set so far. I'm just so in love with it. So feminine. As for dinner, we are enjoying a small meal at Duave. We do have a few things to talk over, so I hope this conversation go well. My husband and I have put in a lot more effort in nurturing our connection with one another. We enjoy having open and honest conversation and really listening to each other and being more willing to compromise when we're having these hard conversations. And I feel like that's the most important thing to heal a relationship after any fiasco or any bump that you have in the road. So hear me when I tell you, no relationship is easy, but if you're willing to make it work, it will. Because I don't think there is ever a right time to let someone you love go. I think if they really mean something to you, you should fight through whatever come your way. You should be willing to do whatever it takes to keep them in your life. Many relationships fail because they stop trying and start giving up. They think they don't fit to each other. While the fact is that no one will come into your life and fit you just like that. What you need is someone who understands you and want to put an effort into your relationship. No one said that finding the one would be a walk in the park. It's hard work, darling. Kaylee, what you wearing? This one, this jacket, you like it? It's nice and soft. Did a lot of update today from 7 to like almost 11. Thank God that is done. Then my client finally got back to me. I was supposed to meet up with her originally at like 12:30, but then it moved to 2 and now it moved to 3:30. It's just been moving constantly, but that's fine, I guess. I dropped off the payment and then now I'm gonna be on my way to pick up my kids, but first I'm going to stop by a place and grab some to eat. And after a crazy day at work, obviously we are spending Friday night celebrating my new sister Julie's birthday at Ostra. And obviously the reason why it's 10 to 11 is because we stayed out all night. Me staying out till like 2, 3 in the morning. It is crazy. Mother Day came around. It is May 12th and I spent the 11th flower shopping, flower arranging, working, cooking, and today the 12th is the day that I will be delivering flower to my mother-in-law and my favorite sister-in-law. I spent the whole day with my mom and my sister-in-law at my mother-in-law house. On May 14th, I had a really busy day at work. I'll be seeing 8 clients total. I actually did showing this morning from 7 to 10 already. I went home, ate, and then now I'm doing 4 more recording for 4 different properties that I do have to edit and upload tonight. And pretty much this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber, and I will see you in the next episode.